Hi, this is Cari McGee with Keller Williams Tri-Cities, and welcome to this week's episode of Ask the Realtor. Not every week, but every so often, I do answer questions from buyers and sellers and pretty much everyone in between regarding real estate. This week's question comes to us from Sherry L., who asked, how much money should I set aside as a buyer for things that may go wrong with my home in the first couple months of living there? Which is a fantastic question and not something that a lot of people think about, because usually you get all your money together for buying your home and then you think, phew, I'm set. Well, sometimes things crop up that are either you don't have a home warranty in place to cover those things, or the home warranty doesn't cover those things. And therefore you are in a situation where you need to come up with a lot of money pretty darn fast. Sometimes an example of this would be a water heater going bad, or a a heater or an air conditioner all of a sudden going belly up. And you've got to replace that and get that taken care of. And it is your responsibility now because you are a homeowner. So the best suggestion is to have as much money set aside as you possibly can. Don't think that just because you got into the home, now all your money that you have coming in can go to wherever you want it to be. I would advise go ahead and start to save up as quickly as you can, as much as you can, because now that you're a homeowner, guess what? All of those things that go on, they're your responsibility. So be sure to start to build up that nest egg of ready cash so that in the event something happens, you're covered. Thanks so much for your question, Sherry, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye.